that Kolkata Knight Riders have won the toss and they've opted to field first. So they've, for the third time in as many matches, they are going to field first and they will chase the target. And interestingly, both the teams have gone in with the same sides. In fact, they've retained their same 11. Kolkata are also unchanged, and so are Chennai Super Kings. So in Kolkata Knight Riders lineup, there is no Andre Russell. Shakib Al Hasan retains his place. I'm just going to tell you the exact playing 11 as far as Kolkata Knight Riders are concerned. Shubman Gill opens with Venkatesh Iyer, who's in pretty good form. Nitish Rana, Rahul Tripathi, Owen Morgan, Dinesh Karthik, Sunil Narine, Shakib Al Hasan, Lockie Ferguson, Varun Chakravarti, Shivam Mavi. That's going to be their bowling combination. And Chennai Super Kings, who are going to bat first, Faf du Plessis, Ruturaj Gaikwad, Moeen Ali, Ambati Rayudu, Robin Uthappa, who played that crucial knock, a good half century, will be followed by MS Dhoni, Ravindra Jadeja, Dwayne Bravo, Shardul Thakur, Deepak Chahar and Josh Hazelwood. So there is no change as far as both these teams are concerned. Kolkata Knight Riders, as I said, have retained the same 11 and so has Chennai Super Kings. Kolkata will once again chase the target that Chennai will set them. So as of now, in a few minutes time, the match is going to start, and also I'm joined by Prema Rajaram from Kolkata. Prema, amid all these festivities in Kolkata, what's the mood like? I'm sure there are going to be die-hard fans who would be rooting for KKR to win that trophy that they last won in 2014.
Well, as far as Kolkatans are concerned, they have been busy with Durga Puja celebrations and everybody's sad that the celebrations have come to an end. But if KKR wins this match, the celebrations will continue, and that is exactly what the Kolkatans want. I have one Kolkatan here with me. KKR versus CSK. The last time they played in 2012, KKR won that. Do you think that KKR has that tenacity to create that magic again?
Yes, definitely. KKR, if you see the whole standing this year, they haven't been performing to the best of their potential. CSK has always been at a higher position in the standings. But yes, to have crawled back, beating Delhi and I forget the other team, and then coming into the finals, both were, I think, last towards the last 2 balls, last 1 ball sort of a victory, which means that they will have the upper hand. The momentum is with KKR.
And KKR as a team, you've seen some of the IPLs, you've seen the way they've played. They've won twice before. What will it take for KKR to really go out there and give CSK a good run for the money?
Well, I would have thought that having won the toss, KKR would have wanted to bat today, set the target and then put pressure on CSK. But if that is not happening, then it remains to be seen how good the spinners kind of bowl. Historically, the pitch has always been a batsman's paradise. It's been a flat track. So it depends on how the spinners kind of come into play. There will not be any dew factor or anything like that. So gripping the ball will not be a problem. So I think the spinners will make the biggest contribution during the game.
All right, so the spinners will make the biggest contribution in the game. Let's see whether KKR can win against CSK today. Back to you, Rahul.